All right, let's cut to the chase. You're here because you're wondering if you can unlock the power of NetSuite without spending a dime. You've heard about it, maybe seen job listings screaming for NetSuite expertise, or perhaps you're running a business and desperately need a better ERP solution. But the cost? That's got you hitting pause. Now, let's be real. If you've ever tried to learn a complex enterprise resource planning system, it's not like picking up a new app on your phone. NetSuite is a beast. A powerful, multifaceted beast. It's the backbone of countless businesses, managing everything from financials and inventory to CRM and e-commerce. It's a game changer, but it's also, let's face it, intimidating. So, can you really learn NetSuite for free? Is it just a pipe dream, or is there a way to crack the code without breaking the bank? That's what we're going to explore today. We're going to dive deep, separate the myths from the realities, and give you a clear roadmap to navigating the world of NetSuite learning, even if your budget is tighter than a drum. First, let's address the elephant in the room, NetSuite itself. NetSuite is a proprietary software owned by Oracle. They don't exactly hand out free, fully functional versions for casual learning. Why? Because it's a business, a very successful one. They invest heavily in development, support, and infrastructure, and they expect a return. That's just how the world works. However, that doesn't mean you're completely out of luck. The key here is to understand that learning NetSuite encompasses a spectrum of activities. It's not just about clicking buttons in a live environment. It's about understanding the concepts, the workflows, the underlying principles that make NetSuite tick. Let's break down the learning process into manageable chunks. First, you need to understand the fundamentals of ERP systems. What are they? Why are they important? How do they differ from other business software? There are plenty of free resources available for this. You can find articles, blog posts, and even introductory videos on platforms like YouTube and educational websites. Search for terms like ERP Basics, Introduction to Enterprise Resource Planning, or Business Process Management. This foundational knowledge is crucial because it gives you the context you need to understand NetSuite's role. Next, you need to familiarize yourself with the core modules of NetSuite. Think about the key functions that businesses rely on: financials, inventory management, CRM, and e-commerce. NetSuite covers all of these and more. You don't need to become an expert in every module right away. Focus on the areas that align with your interests or career goals. For example, if you're interested in accounting, start with the financial management module. If you're interested in supply chain, focus on inventory and order management. Now, how do you learn about these modules without access to a live NetSuite environment? This is where the real creativity comes in. Oracle provides a wealth of documentation and resources on their website. You can find user guides, help articles, and even recorded webinars. While these resources might not be as interactive as a live system, they provide valuable insights into NetSuite's functionality and features. Another fantastic resource is YouTube. There are countless channels dedicated to NetSuite tutorials and demonstrations. You can find videos that walk you through specific tasks, explain complex concepts, and even showcase real-world examples. Search for keywords like NetSuite tutorial, NetSuite financial management, or NetSuite CRM demo. Remember to vet the channels and focus on those with clear explanations and positive reviews. Community forums and online groups are also invaluable. Platforms like LinkedIn, Reddit, and specialized NetSuite forums provide opportunities to connect with other learners and experienced professionals. You can ask questions, share resources, and learn from others' experiences. This is where you can get answers to specific problems that you encounter while studying. Now, let's talk about certifications. NetSuite offers a range of certifications that validate your knowledge and skills. While the certification exams themselves are not free, preparing for them doesn't have to be expensive. You can use the free resources mentioned earlier to build a solid foundation. You can also explore free practice questions and sample exams online. One of the biggest hurdles is getting hands-on experience. Without access to a live NetSuite environment, it's difficult to truly master the system. However, there are a few workarounds. Some companies that use NetSuite might offer internships or training programs that provide access to the system. You can also look for volunteer opportunities with nonprofit organizations that use NetSuite. While these opportunities might be rare, they can provide invaluable experience. Another option is to explore NetSuite demo accounts. Oracle occasionally offers demo accounts for specific events or promotions. Keep an eye on their website and social media channels for announcements. Additionally, some training providers might offer demo access as part of their free introductory courses. Let's address the elephant in the room about training. While paid training courses are often the most direct route to NetSuite expertise, they can be expensive. However, you don't necessarily need to enroll in a full-fledged training program to learn NetSuite. You can piece together your learning journey using a combination of free resources and targeted training modules. For example, if you're struggling with a specific module, you can focus on free tutorials and documentation for that area. You can also look for affordable online courses or workshops that cover specific topics. This approach allows you to tailor your learning to your needs and budget. Remember, learning NetSuite is a marathon, not a sprint. It takes time, effort, and dedication. Don't get discouraged if you don't see results immediately. Focus on building a strong foundation and gradually expanding your knowledge and skills. Another vital tip is to focus on practical applications. Don't just memorize concepts and features. Try to apply what you're learning to real-world scenarios. For example, if you're learning about financial management, try to analyze financial statements or create budgets. If you're learning about inventory management, try to optimize inventory levels or improve order fulfillment processes. Stay updated on the latest NetSuite releases and updates. NetSuite is constantly evolving, with new features and enhancements being added regularly. Following NetSuite blogs, news sites, and social media channels will keep you informed of the latest developments. Finally, networking is crucial. Connect with other NetSuite professionals and learners. Attend online events, join LinkedIn groups, and participate in online forums. Building a strong network can open doors to new opportunities and provide invaluable support. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.